welcome back to Pranaya's Tutti. In this weekend, I have came to my grandmother's house in Virudhunagar district, Tamil Nadu. Nearby my grandma's house, there is a farm. This is my first experience to come here. So here I have seen some plants. I will show you that. So let's start. This is our first plant. It is called Sogam. In Tamil, we will call it as Solam. This is the growing level. After grown, we will get some grains like seeds. That is very healthy for us. So I will move to the next. So this is our next plant. It is also looks like sorghum, but it is grass. Goats and cow will eat this. So this is our next plant. It is called Zira. This is a vitamin plant for us. Animals will also eat this. Down we can see a plant. This is a food for animals. We can move to the next. So here I can see some banana trees. So we can look here, there is some brinjal plants. But the brinjal season is over. But we can find some brinjals. I will show you, wait. Look here, there is a brinjal. So come on, we can go to the next. Here I can see some brinjals. This is brinjal. Look, it is very small brinjal. Next, we can see here. Look, there is a brinjal. Next, you can see here. Look. Then inside we can see one. There is a brinjal. So we can move back. Our next plant, we will call it as topicano. In Tamil, we will call it as kappakelangu. This is a famous food in Kerala like kappa biryani, kappa curry. I like this leaves shaped like a big flower. So come on, I will show you next. Oh my God, come here, there is a flock of honeybees. It's very dangerous one, so I am not going near. So here we can see sugar cane. So the next one I will show you. First I have shown the sorghum. That is a growing level, but we can see the ground one. See there. So this is the ground level of sorghum. You can see in that there is a grains. So this only I told you that it is very healthy for us. So that is a big one. I think why I am returning because I have seen a big brinjal here. Look, it is a very big one. So now I am going to show fruit, my favorite fruit. In summer we will get it usually. It will very juicy. So I will show you. This is that, the watermelon, my favorite one. So inside also you can see. Look. The plants are over, but I can see pet animals here. I will show you. I am giving it food. For the another cow also I am giving. Water is flowing.